Hi, thanks for stopping by my channel. It's a pleasure to have you here. In today's video, I'll be showing you how I created a 4C drawstring ponytail from scratch. Now this ponytail can be worn as an afro puff, a high bun, a twisted ponytail, a braided ponytail, a low bun, or just about any hairstyle you want to wear it as. The items I'll be using are weaving net, elastic, scissors, wig clips, needle and thread, latch hook, and I'll be using a pack of Yaman Afro Kinky hair. The base of the ponytail can be found on Amazon. I will leave a link in the description box for those who are interested. For me, I didn't have the time to wait on an Amazon delivery, so I had to go ahead and make mine. The first thing I'm doing is cutting a circle from the weaving net. I'm using a little plait as guidance because that's the size I would want the ponytail to be. This drawstring will not be used just for ponytail. I'll use it for other hairstyles as well. So I'm making it as wide as possible so I'll be able to use it accordingly. Next step is to cut the elastic band. I am going to be cutting the length of the circumference of the circle with an additional 2 inches. This will be enough to create the drawstring. The next step is to fold the end of the fabric about half of an inch over the elastic band to create a loop for which the elastic will be pulling through. Mind you, we're going to stitch this, but be careful not to stitch the elastic band because we are creating a drawstring and therefore the elastic band needs to be able to move through the loop that we're creating. This is what it should look like in the end. The next step is to join the end of the elastic band and stitch it together. Now I'm going to be adding the clips to the drawstring. This will create a firm hold onto your hair. I'm all done with the base and now it's time to install the Yaman hair onto it. This is going to be recycled hair because I had used this in a previous hairstyle. I'm cutting the hair in half because I want the ponytail to be short and very realistic. The next step is to separate each lock into 2 pieces, after which I'll attach them to the base of my ponytail using the crochet braid method. The tip of the latch hook that I was using was bigger than the holes in the net, so I had to apply a whole lot of force and pressure in order to pull it through. So if you're going to do this, I would suggest that you find the smaller latch hook so that it will work out better for you. But it turned out good nonetheless. Initially, I separated each lock of the Yaman braid into 2 pieces, but as I went along, I started separating them in 3 pieces and in 4 pieces so that I'd have a more realistic look and a less chunky look in the ponytail. I'm done with the installation of the braid. Now I'm going to shape the ponytail to my liking. So this is it. This is the end product of my 4C drawstring ponytail and I am loving it so much. It looks so natural. As you can see, I added 3 wig clips for security. Yep, extra security because we need it when we're wearing extra hair. It is still not feeling like human hair just yet because I did not add any moisturizer to it, but so far I'm loving it and I think it suits my daughter's hair since she has type 4 hair and she has type 4C hair, so this will be perfect for her. So if you want to see how it's installed, you may tune in for the upcoming video. Thanks again for watching. I really appreciate your presence. Like this video, that's if you like the video, and subscribe if you have not yet done so. Thanks again for watching.